The main difference between two investment funds, FTIHX and FSPSX, lies in their investment strategies and performances. FTIHX, an international index fund, invests in a mix of developed and emerging market stocks, offering exposure to both types of markets, with a higher yield from dividends and a longer track record. In contrast, FSPSX, a total market index fund, focuses solely on the U.S. developed market, tracking large-cap companies with a zero expense ratio, making it a cost-effective option for U.S. market exposure. Despite FSPSX having a lower expense ratio and outperforming FTIHX in terms of returns over the past few years, FTIHX is more attractive due to its higher dividend yield and diversification benefits. The expense ratios of both funds are relatively low, with FTIHX having an expense ratio of 0.06% and FSPSX having an expense ratio of 0.04%. Reflecting their passive investment strategies and focus on cost efficiency, FTIHX holds a broad range of international stocks, including large, mid, and small-cap companies across various sectors and industries, providing exposure to a wide range of global markets. In contrast, FSPSX primarily focuses on large and mid-cap companies in developed markets. Both funds share similarities in that they are managed by a reputable investment management company, and are passively managed index funds that seek to track the performance of their respective benchmark indices. Ultimately, the choice between the two funds depends on the investor's goals and preferences, with FTIHX offering broader investment scope and higher dividend yield, making it a more attractive option for those seeking exposure to a comprehensive range of global markets.